talking about skincare formulation 101, the ingredients category. So basically I'm going to be telling you the different ingredients or different categories of ingredients that should be in your formula. Now, if you're interested in this video, you definitely want to watch this video to the very end. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Now, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Kayo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we do skincare DIYs, we do product reviews, I teach you how you can start your own beauty skincare business and thrive on it. I teach you recipes that will give you effective results, and I also on the side do YouTube videos, how to start a YouTube channel and how to thrive here on YouTube. Now, if any of what I have mentioned is something that you are interested in, please definitely hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like what we are going to be talking about. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about skincare formulation 101, the ingredients categories. So I'm going to be telling you what categories or the different categories that we have in skincare formulation. Now, if any of this is what you want to learn, and you are a skincare formulator or an aspiring skincare formulator, you want to go into the business of skincare, you definitely want to stick on this channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Now, we're going to learn what ingredients do in a formulation and why they are present in a skincare formula. Now, if this is what you are interested in and you want to learn about this topic, you definitely want to watch this video to the very end. Now, the first category of ingredients we're going to be talking about is the active ingredients. Now, the active ingredients are ingredients that are present in a skincare formulation or a skincare formula to do what exactly the cream is produced for. So let's take for example that you're making an acne cream, something to fight acne. Whatever you include in that recipe or formula to tackle the problem of acne or the problem of hyperpigmentation or the problem of whitening your skin, whatever you include in your recipe to tackle that problem is called your active ingredients. Now, the active ingredients, these are ingredients that have been scientifically proven to, to tackle these concerns that you may have or these issues that you want to include this recipe into your formula for. Meaning the product will do what it says it will do. Now, for example, we have the alpha hydroxy acid as one of as an exfoliant. We have the beta hydroxy acid. These are chemical exfoliants that are used to exfoliate the skin chemically. Basically, they come in different percentages. Now, if you want to peel your skin, there's a certain percentage that you're supposed to use. If you just want to have mild exfoliation, there's also a percentage that you should include in your formula. These chemical exfoliants are lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and so on and so forth. Now, they are very low in pH. They have very low pH, which makes them very good for exfoliation. Now, they can clear your pores, deep cleanse your pores. If you have any acne that are blocking your pores and making you have these very large pores and pimples and all of that, it helps to exfoliate your skin and unclog those pores, giving you a clearer, more beautiful complexion and a beautiful smooth skin. Now, moving on, we have the anti-aging ingredients. The anti-aging ingredients are ingredients that you include in your formula to fight wrinkles, to fight sagging of the skin, and so many other things that could cause aging. Now, example of these creams are retinol, ceramide, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, polyglutamic acid, and so many other ingredients that are used for anti-aging. Now, the anti-aging ingredients have a pore blurring effect or can blur out wrinkles and sagging of the skin. It will help firm the skin to prevent premature aging and also give the skin some type of brightening. So basically they prevent aging and also promotes collagen and elastin production in the skin and also stimulates cell turnover. Our next ingredient category is antioxidants. They are present in your skincare formulation to fight compounds that can bump into proteins that can potentially cause skin damage. So for example, we have the ferulic acid, resveratrol, we have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and so many other ingredients that are in this category. Now, our next ingredient category is the skin lightening agent. These are present in your skincare formulation to whiten or brighten or give your skin some kind of lightening effect. They are in there to fight pigmentation or the formation of pigmentations that are not wanted on your skin. So they do this by reducing or killing the production of melanogenesis on your skin to make the skin brighter. For example, we have alpha-arbutin, we have kojic acid, kojic dipalmitate, we have licorice powder, we have licorice extract, vitamin A, we have niacinamide. There are so many whitening actives that we have there in the market. Now, moving on to our next category of ingredients, we have our humectants. So what the humectants do is they draw moisture from the environment and hold it and bind it close to the skin to keep the skin moisturized at all times. They prevent transepidermal water loss. For example, we have algae extract, we have hyaluronic acid, we have aloe vera, we have glycerin, we have botulene glycol, we have hydrolyzed collagen, we have glycerin, ceramide, propylene glycol, sorbitol, honey. These are all great naturally humectants, and there are so many other humectants that you can include in your recipe. And the last ingredient category we're going to talk about today is the emollients. Now, emollients are like sealants. They are in your formulation or your formula to help seal in moisture so that when you put on your moisturizing cream, it doesn't evaporate. So basically, that's why whenever you're doing your skincare routine, you should always have your emollients, that's your oils and other things that can hold moisture at the end of your skincare routine, because these are ingredients that can seal moisture in your skin. There are different kinds of oils. Your wax that you add in your cream is an emollient. Your oils that you add are emollients. There are so many other emollients. Emollients are sealants. Emollients are basically included in your formulation to seal in moisture on your skin. So when your humectants draw moisture from the skin or from the atmosphere or environment and hold it on your skin, the emollients are used to seal that moisture so that it doesn't evaporate and you lose all the moisture that you have put in. Sometimes when you use moisturizers, you see that when you rub it on your skin, after a while your skin feels dry. Yes, that's because the moisture has evaporated. So basically what this emollients do is sealing the moisture on your skin, helping you keep your skin more supple and keep it more hydrated. Now, that's all for our ingredient category. There are other parts of formulations that are supposed to be in your other ingredient categories that are supposed to be in your formulation, but today we're talking about the actives. These are the ingredients that are functional, or ingredients that you add in a formula to give a certain or to tackle a certain issue on your skin. I don't know if this video was helpful to anybody, so if it was helpful to you, definitely give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload the next video, and also leave me a comment on questions with your questions, and I will take them for you guys. Now, if you want to learn more about your ingredients and how you're supposed to use them and why they should be in your formulation, you want to definitely get my ebook. My ebook is basically a whole training in one ebook. It's over 100 pages, so you want to definitely get this ebook before it goes back to the price that it was originally made for. I was selling it at 25,000 naira. I have been doing promos for the past 2 weeks or so, and the promo will soon be over. So if you want to learn more on your skincare ingredients and other things that surround skincare formulation, you definitely want to get my ebook. Now I also have a very interesting package for you guys. You all know that I have all kinds of ingredients that you want. Any kind of ingredient that you're looking for in this world, ask me, I have them for sale. I have ingredients that some of your ingredient suppliers do not know about. Trust me, I am your skincare guru, and I have ingredients that you have not heard before. So now the package is, or the bonus is, when you buy ingredients from me that is worth at least 20,000 naira, you will get a recipe that I sell for 50k. I have a recipe. Everybody that is saying, oh, my products don't work, my products don't give me results, I have a recipe. I sell recipes that will give you customers that you will not be able to attend to. I'm telling you. So you want to definitely buy your ingredients from me, any kind of ingredient that you want. And also, when you buy these ingredients, I will help you, tell you what ingredients you can incorporate together to get the results that you're looking for. So you just send me a message on WhatsApp. My number is in the description bar. Make sure you check it out. Send me a message on WhatsApp and tell me, list out the ingredients that you want to buy, and then tell me all that you need. After you have listed your ingredients, you can go ahead to, tell me, oh, I want to formulate this product. Can you help me, give me what to use? And I will definitely help you out as far as you're buying the tangible amount of ingredient, because it's a win-win thing. I give you, you give me. That's how life is. So I'm willing to give you free. It is free. I sell that recipe for 50k. Trust me, that one recipe. And then the set, the combo, the complete set, I sell it for 120,000 naira. I am not joking. But I will give it to you as far as you're buying your ingredients from me. It's a win-win. I always look for ways that I can help you guys achieve the results that you want. If you want your customers to rush you, come and buy your ingredients from me. Another reason why you should buy from me is my ingredients are sure, authentic. You don't want to go and buy ingredients that they mix with powder and then sell you at a cheaper price. No. My ingredients are authentic. They are directly from factories, so they are authentic and they will give you results that you need. So if you want to get customers and you want to formulate products that will give you effect, my other ingredients, products that are, or recipes that are in my ebook are very, very effective as well. But there's a particular bomb obonge recipe set that I have that is very, 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 very effective. So you want to definitely get these ingredients. Get all your ingredients from me. We ship everywhere in the world. UK, Canada, wherever you are, we ship to you. If you're in Nigeria, we can also ship to you. All you have to do is send me a message in the description bar. I have been so busy, I would have listed all these things on my website, but I have been super busy. You guys have kept me so busy, so I won't be able to do that at the moment. But you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I will attend to all your questions and orders. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you know this video was beneficial to you, please definitely give me a thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And also, if you haven't subscribed up to this time, I don't know what exactly you're waiting for. Like, who else will give you this? Definitely take this time to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, before I go, if you haven't gotten my ebook, please go now and get my ebook. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the any African country, you can use the link in the description bar. In fact, anywhere you are in the world, you can use the link in the description bar to shop directly from my website. If you have issues, then send me a WhatsApp message and I will attend to you or assist you to get the ebook. The ebook comes with a video of about 28 minutes teaching you how to transfer or convert your recipes from percentages to grams, and also how you should write the proper recipe. Now that's one you don't want to miss out. Make sure you get the ebook, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.